Well, there's going to be some stormy and unsettled weather coming our way as we head towards tomorrow. I am tracking a weather impact alert day that starts late in the afternoon and continues into the evening. Highs are going to be up in the mid to upper 70s tomorrow, and there could be a few strong storms and even some isolated instances of severe weather. Hope you enjoyed the warmth today. We're at 68 right now, feeling almost like an early summer type evening, and it's going to be staying incredibly mild tonight. Our current temperature map lit up with 60s and still at 70 degrees up towards Monroe. Now, there are some ongoing showers in central Michigan. Those are not going to be impacting us locally, and some of the showers moving towards New York and Pennsylvania also not seeing those impacts. Some of these clusters of severe storms near Chicago going to be drifting north of us. So bottom line, it's going to be a relatively quiet and tranquil night, but tomorrow there is going to be a slight risk or a level 2 out of 5 risk of severe weather from the thumb of Michigan back towards the U.S. Route 30 corridor, and that extends out towards New England as well. Every single county under that slight risk. That yellow color is a level 2 out of 5. So the hour-by-hour forecast overnight tonight, we do stay dry. Some of those clusters of showers drift up to the north of us, but nothing locally. It is going to be partly sunny to start the day, incredibly mild, mid to upper 70s, and we could already start to see some isolated downpours and storms moving in by the early to mid-afternoon. 2 to 4 p.m., we see those storms cluster together, and by the evening, right around sunset time, that is when widespread rain and thunderstorms are going to be likely. Gusty winds possible, heavy rain, and even a few severe storms. Bottom line, that alert day for the latter half of the day, afternoon and evening time frame, wind gusts to 60 miles an hour possible. There could be some small hail, but in terms of what we saw last week, no comparison. It's not going to be nearly as big of a hail threat, and the tornado risk is on the lower end of the spectrum. It is still something we'll keep a close eye on, but it does appear that most of these storms are going to have a more clustered or linear structure as opposed to those discrete and isolated storms like we sometimes see. So looking at that alert day, it begins in the afternoon, going to be breezy and mild with a high temperature right around 77, and those storm chances do become a little more prevalent closer to sunset time. Next 4 days, an active weather stretch continues. Part 2 of that alert day is the drop in temperatures. We're going to go from 77 to the 40s, a near 30-degree drop that is expected with a chilly lake breeze heading into your Wednesday. Thursday, a few storms may once again redevelop, although it is looking to be a little more isolated in nature. And into Friday, the soggy conditions continuing. Now, all told, this is going to be a very wet week of weather, and some of the latest data does show close to 2 inches, if not over 2 inches of rainfall, and this takes us all the way through Easter Sunday. So it's going to be over a long period of time, but there is still the chance we do get some nuisance flooding and even some rising river levels as a result. That PM alert day for the threat of severe weather and also a big drop in temperatures. The chance of showers possible Wednesday, some chillier showers with that lake breeze. Storm chances return Thursday, and a stronger cold front comes in Saturday and into Easter Sunday. That is going to bring with it another drop off in temperatures. But also, we finally shake the showery weather pattern and welcome back some dry conditions. And heading into next week, looks to be more seasonable with highs largely in the 50s and 60s. And as of now, the weather forecast looking dry for Mud Hen's opening day.